Life can sometimes feel overwhelming. We experience moments of doubt, of struggle, and of wondering whether we're keeping up with the world around us. What we often miss are the timeless teachings that can guide us back to clarity, resilience, and purpose. Today, let's explore 7 essential truths that hold the power to transform how we approach challenges. These truths can guide us. They can help us navigate life's twists. Lesson 1. Change is constant. Imagine a river. It flows. It changes. It never stays the same. Life is like that river. Things shift. Moments pass. People come and go. Seasons change. What is here today may be gone tomorrow. This is not a bad thing. It is simply how things are. We hold on to things. We want them to stay. We cling to moments. We resist change. This resistance creates pain. We fight what cannot be stopped. We suffer needlessly. Think of a leaf. It is green and vibrant. Then it turns brown. It falls. This is natural. It is part of the leaf's journey. We must accept this journey in our own lives. We must let go of the idea of permanence. Nothing lasts forever. This includes our feelings. This includes our situations. When you feel overwhelmed, remember the river. Remember the leaf. Allow things to flow. Let go of what you cannot control. Embrace the present moment. Find joy in the small changes. Notice the beauty in the passing clouds. See the wonder in the setting sun. Accept that everything is in motion. This acceptance brings calm. It brings peace. We learn to adapt. We learn to find strength in the flow. We see that change can bring new beginnings. We see that change can bring new opportunities. We understand that change is a natural part of existence. We learn to trust the process. We learn to trust ourselves. We move with grace. We move with ease. We find freedom in letting go. Lesson 2. Suffering is real. Life includes pain. This is a truth. We cannot ignore it. We cannot pretend it does not exist. We all experience sadness. We all face challenges. We all feel hurt. This is part of being human. We try to avoid pain. We try to push it away. We distract ourselves. We numb ourselves. This only makes it worse. Pain that is ignored grows stronger. Pain that is acknowledged loses its power. Think of a wound. If we ignore it, it gets infected. If we clean it, it heals. We must acknowledge our pain. We must look at it. We must feel it. This is not easy. It takes courage, but it is necessary. We must allow ourselves to grieve. We must allow ourselves to feel. We must allow ourselves to heal. Do not judge your pain. Do not compare it to others. Your pain is your pain. It is valid. It is real. Accept it. Understand it. Learn from it. Find ways to soothe yourself. Be kind to yourself. Treat yourself with compassion. Talk to someone you trust. Write in a journal. Meditate. Find healthy ways to cope. Remember, pain is temporary. It will pass. You will heal. You will grow. You will find strength. You will find resilience. You will find a deeper understanding of yourself. You will emerge wiser. You will emerge stronger. You will emerge more compassionate. You will emerge more whole. Lesson 3. Attachment causes pain. We cling to things. We cling to people. We cling to ideas. We want them to stay. We fear losing them. This is attachment. Attachment creates suffering. We fear change. We fear loss. We fear the unknown. We hold on too tightly. We suffocate ourselves. We suffocate others. Think of a bird in your hand. If you hold it too tightly, you will hurt it. If you let it go, it will fly free. We must learn to let go. We must learn to release our grip. We must learn to trust that things will be okay. We must learn to trust ourselves. Attachment is not love. Love is freedom. Love is letting go. Love is wanting the best for others. Love is wanting the best for ourselves. We must learn to love without attachment. We must learn to appreciate things without owning them. We must learn to enjoy moments without trying to capture them. We must learn to value people without needing them. We must learn to live without fear of loss. We must learn to live with open hands. We must learn to live with open hearts. We must learn to live with open minds. We must learn to live with open souls. We must learn to find joy in the present moment. We must learn to find peace in letting go. We must learn to find freedom in detachment. Lesson 4. You control your mind. Your mind is powerful. It can create joy. It can create sorrow. It can create peace. It can create chaos. You are the master of your mind. You decide what thoughts to entertain. You decide what feelings to cultivate. You decide how to react to situations. Do not let your mind control you. Control your mind. Think of a garden. If you plant weeds, you will grow weeds. If you plant flowers, you will grow flowers. Your thoughts are seeds. Plant good seeds. Plant positive thoughts. Plant kind words. Plant compassionate feelings. When negative thoughts arise, do not fight them. Observe them. Acknowledge them. Let them pass. Do not dwell on them. Do not feed them. Focus on positive thoughts. Focus on gratitude. Focus on kindness. Focus on compassion. Practice mindfulness. Practice meditation. Practice deep breathing. Practice self-care. Practice self-compassion. Practice self-awareness. You have the power to change your thoughts. You have the power to change your feelings. You have the power to change your life. You are not a victim of your mind. You are the master of your mind. You are the architect of your reality. You are the creator of your peace. You are the builder of your joy. You are the author of your story. Lesson 5. Compassion is key. We are all connected. We are all part of the same human family. We all experience pain. We all experience joy. We all want to be happy. We all want to be loved. Compassion is the bridge that connects us. Compassion is understanding. Compassion is kindness. Compassion is empathy. Compassion is love. Think of a stranger who is suffering. Offer them a kind word. Offer them a helping hand. Offer them your compassion. Do not judge them. Do not criticize them. Do not condemn them. Understand that they are also human. Understand that they are also struggling. Understand that they are also seeking happiness. Extend compassion to yourself. Be kind to yourself. Forgive yourself. Accept yourself. Treat yourself with the same compassion that you offer to others. We are all imperfect. We all make mistakes. We all deserve love. We all deserve compassion. Practice compassion in your daily life. Smile at strangers. Offer a seat to someone in need. Listen to someone who is hurting. Volunteer your time. Donate to a charity. Speak kindly to everyone. Be a source of light. Be a source of hope. Be a source of compassion. Be a source of love. Be a source of peace. Lesson 6. The present is all. The present moment is where life happens. It's the only time you truly have, yet so many people spend it dwelling on the past or worrying about the future. Living fully in the now unlocks a level of peace and joy that's hard to achieve otherwise. When you immerse yourself in the present, you connect with the richness of life unfolding around you. Think about how often your mind wanders. You might be eating a meal but thinking about tomorrow's tasks. Or you're spending time with loved ones while replaying old arguments in your head. These distractions pull you away from the beauty of the moment. The truth is, life slips by unnoticed when you're not paying attention. By bringing your awareness back to the here and now, you reclaim your ability to experience life deeply. One practical way to anchor yourself in the present is through mindfulness. Mindfulness simply means being aware of what's happening right now without judgment. For instance, when you walk outside, notice the sensation of the breeze on your skin, the colors of the sky, or the sounds of birds chirping. Engage your senses fully. These small details may seem insignificant, but they ground you in the reality of the moment, pulling you out of autopilot mode. Breathing exercises are another powerful tool for staying present. Your breath is always with you, serving as a steady anchor. When your mind starts racing, pause and take a few deep breaths. Focus on the inhale and exhale, feeling the rise and fall of your chest. This simple act calms your nervous system and brings your attention back to the present. It's a reminder that no matter what's happening, you're alive and okay in this moment. Distractions are everywhere, especially in today's fast-paced world. Phones, social media, and endless to-do lists compete for your attention. To counteract this, Set aside dedicated time to unplug and be fully present. Whether it's enjoying a quiet cup of coffee, reading a book, or taking a mindful stroll, carve out moments where you're not multitasking. Give your full attention to one thing at a time. You'll find that even mundane activities become more enjoyable when you're fully engaged. Living in the present also means letting go of regrets and anxieties. Dwelling on past mistakes keeps you stuck, while fretting about the future robs you of today's opportunities. Accept that you can't change what's already happened, and trust that you'll handle whatever comes next. This mindset shift frees up mental energy to focus on what you can control, the choices you make right now. Gratitude amplifies the power of the present. Take a moment each day to reflect on what you're thankful for. It could be something as simple as a cozy bed, a supportive friend, or a breathtaking sunset. Gratitude trains your mind to notice the positives in your immediate surroundings, enhancing your appreciation for the now. The more you practice, the more you'll realize how much there is to cherish in everyday life. By embracing the present, you create space for authentic connections. Whether it's sharing laughter with family or having a heartfelt conversation with a colleague, being fully present transforms interactions. People feel seen and valued when you give them your undivided attention. These moments of genuine connection enrich your life and strengthen your relationships. The present is a gift, one that's always available, no matter your circumstances. When you live in alignment with the now, you tap into a reservoir of peace and contentment. Life becomes less about chasing elusive goals and more about savoring the journey. So, take a deep breath, look around, and immerse yourself in the beauty of this very moment. After all, it's the only one you truly have. Lesson 7. Inner peace exists. Inner peace is not some distant goal reserved for a select few. It's a state of being that resides within everyone, waiting to be uncovered. While external circumstances may fluctuate, inner peace remains constant, a sanctuary you can return to whenever life feels overwhelming. Cultivating this inner stillness transforms how you navigate challenges, relationships, and even your own thoughts. Finding inner peace begins with acceptance. Acceptance doesn't mean resigning yourself to unhappiness. It means acknowledging reality as it is, without resistance. For example, if you're stuck in a long line or caught in traffic, instead of fuming with impatience, remind yourself, this is the situation right now. By surrendering to what you cannot change, you free yourself from unnecessary stress. Peace arises when you stop fighting against the flow of life. Silence is another pathway to inner peace. In a world filled with noise, constant notifications, chatter, and distractions, quiet moments are rare but essential. Set aside time each day to sit in silence, even if it's just for 5 minutes. Turn off your devices, close your eyes, and listen to the stillness within. Silence allows your mind to rest and recharge, creating space for clarity and calm. Over time, you'll notice that this inner quiet becomes accessible even amidst chaos. Self-awareness plays a crucial role in nurturing inner peace. Pay attention to your emotions and reactions. When anger, frustration, or fear arises, pause and ask, what triggered this response? Understanding the root cause helps you address it constructively rather than letting it consume you. Journaling can be a helpful practice for exploring these feelings. Writing them down provides perspective and prevents them from festering inside. Forgiveness is also integral to achieving inner peace. Carrying grudges or harboring resentment keeps you tethered to pain. Letting go of these burdens doesn't excuse harmful actions. It releases their grip on your heart. Imagine placing those heavy emotions into a balloon and watching it float away. With each act of forgiveness, you lighten your load and create room for serenity. Nature offers a profound source of inner peace. Spending time outdoors, whether walking in a park, sitting by a lake, or gazing at the stars, reminds you of life's vastness and your place within it. Nature operates in harmony, teaching you to embrace simplicity and balance. Even brief encounters with the natural world can restore a sense of calm and perspective. Cultivating gratitude reinforces inner peace. Reflect on the blessings in your life, no matter how small. A roof over your head, clean water to drink, or a kind gesture from a stranger, all these things are worth celebrating. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant, fostering contentment. When you feel grateful, you naturally align with peace. Inner peace is always within reach, regardless of external conditions. It's a choice, a commitment to nurturing your spirit and honoring your true self. As you practice acceptance, seek silence, and embrace gratitude, you'll discover that tranquility isn't something you chase. It's something you uncover layer by layer until it becomes your natural state. And once you find it, you'll realize it was there all along, patiently waiting for you to come home. These 7 truths are simple. They are powerful. They can guide you through life's challenges. They can help you find peace. They can help you find joy. They can help you find yourself. Embrace these truths. Practice them daily. Be patient with yourself. Be kind to yourself. You are worthy of peace. You are worthy of happiness. You are worthy of love. You are worthy of all good things. Remember, you are not alone. You are connected to all beings. You are part of something bigger than yourself. Find your inner strength. Find your inner peace. Find your inner light. Let it shine brightly. Let it guide you home.